Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a battery operated smoke detector. We're going to go through all the tools that you use. We're also going to show you two different ways to mount them. But first I want to mention that I have a link to a blog article down in the description that talks about the proper placement of smoke detectors throughout your house, as well as carbon monoxide detectors. If you want to see more videos like this where I help you upgrade your house and turn your home into your own sanctuary, hit that subscribe button down below, because I'll be putting out content just like this in the future. And also do me a favor, hit that like button, because it helps the algorithm so other people like you can find the video as well. I want to mention that the links in the description are affiliate links. That doesn't mean that you're going to be paying extra money if you purchase through those links, but it does mean that I get a little kickback, which helps me put out videos like this in the future. So thanks for your help. Now let's get started. Okay, now we're going to take a look at what's inside the packaging, and first I am looking at the diagram on the back. It shows us what rooms of the house we are to put one of these carbon monoxide or smoke detectors. The good thing about this unit is it's a 2-in-1 smoke detector and carbon monoxide. I also want to point out that it is an ionization type smoke detector. So on this chart here it tells you the different detector types, the types of sensors. The smoke sensor is ionization, and that's different than photoelectric. Depending on what state you're in, you're going to have to determine which one of these is recommended for your area. I have a link to an article I wrote in the description down below, and I want you to check it out because I have a list of all the states and which ones are recommended and which ones require a CO2 sensor or whatnot. So click that link down below. The article is designed to walk you through how to place where the proper placement of smoke detectors throughout the house would be. So it gives you a lot of information on that, and it includes a spreadsheet basically that talks about all 50 states and which one of the sensors is required per state. So I want you to take a look at that when you get a chance. Here is the smoke detector. It comes with two AA batteries, and it comes with a mounting screw and a mollies that will allow you to install it in drywall. We are going to pop open. Here's a silica packet. We don't need that in there. Now I am going to install the batteries. Whoa. Push test button. That scared me. Okay, this one works. Here. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Okay, it looks like it has to run through all of the alarms just to check and verify that it does work. It has the batteries in. Here's the mounting bracket. This has several different hole options for you. If you do have a stud available, I recommend going into the stud at least with one screw. You may need longer screws than this to do so, but therefore you don't really need to hit a stud. I'm going to show you how to install this smoke detector on your ceiling as well as onto a wall. The tools I'll be using are the step stool. I have a drill a power drill, a stud finder, the smoke detector with the screws and mollies, a pencil, tape measure, drill bits, and the Phillips head screwdriver type bit. This is a bedroom in my house, and what I am going to do is I have to put one smoke detector in each bedroom. The distance that I want it from the wall is going to be 4 inches for a smoke detector and 6 inches for a carbon monoxide detector. So and that's the minimum distance. If I put it more than 6 inches, it will be fine for either one. And the reason why is because the 4 to 6 inch range all the way around the corner of the room at the ceiling is a dead air space. It doesn't have much airflow. And so if there is smoke in the room, it's generally going to accumulate more in the middle of the room. So to do this, I also am placing it in front of a doorway, and that is basically because if there's any type of smoke coming in from outside the door and it happens to come up and under, it'll be another smoke detector right here. So what I will do is I'm basically eyeballing the center. In fact, what I can do is I will find the center of the door. This is 17.5 would be the center. So from the wall, that's 18.5. That's 18.5 right there. And then I'm going to go 6 inches out from there. I'm just putting small marks with a pencil so that I can erase them after I'm done. And real quickly, I want to see if there's any studs right here. So the 6 inch distance from the wall pertains to the leading edge of the smoke detector. So I don't want that edge to go any further than 6 inches because it's a carbon monoxide and smoke detector 2-in-1. To install the anchor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a smaller drill bit. So I just held up the anchor and had it so that the drill bit is close to the tip diameter of so the drill bit is similar in diameter to the tip of the anchor. I'm going to start small, and if I need to, I can work my way up. I want to make sure that I get the right hole, so real quick I'm going to hold it up again and make sure that I am drilling the correct hole. I got a small rubber mallet just to help with installing the anchor. If you need to get the smoke detector down for any reason, take it down from the ceiling, there is this lever right here. What I'm doing is I'm pushing it downwards and then twisting it counterclockwise. This lever gets caught in these little grooves that are here, so to reinstall it, as I twist it, I hear it clicking and it's kind of locking in place. It can still be removed, but right there, let me see. Okay, just put it right there, and then to remove it, twist it counterclockwise. Now that it's up here, test it.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
In this hallway, I want to put it on the wall. I feel like that'll be a better place. So to do it, I'm just going to do the opposite of what I did on the ceiling, and I want it to be at least 6 inches from the ceiling, because again, that's the dead air space in that corner. And there it is. Mounting a smoke detector to the ceiling as well as the wall is really just that simple. As long as you have all the tools ready and you have the smoke detector, just take your time, follow the steps that I showed you in this video, and you'll do just fine. Thanks for watching.